Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever accidentally deleted precious photos from your Android device? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into some of the best apps available for recovering those lost images. These tools can help you restore your cherished memories with ease. Let's explore how they work and which one might be the best fit for your recovery needs. Recover Deleted Photos app. The Recover Deleted Photos app is a user-friendly tool designed specifically for retrieving lost images from your Android device. This app scans both internal storage and external SD cards, making it capable of recovering photos that might have been accidentally deleted or lost due to formatting. The app uses advanced scanning algorithms to identify and restore deleted files, ensuring a high recovery success rate. The interface is simple to navigate, allowing users to quickly start a scan and preview recoverable photos before restoring them. Ideal for those who have lost cherished images, this app offers a straightforward solution for photo recovery. Recover Everything Photo. Recover Everything Photo is a comprehensive app that not only focuses on recovering deleted photos, but also aims to recover other media files. This app scans your device thoroughly for any deleted images and allows users to restore them easily. Its powerful scanning engine ensures that even deeply buried files can be recovered. The app also features a simple interface that guides users through the recovery process, making it accessible for those who may not be tech-savvy. With its efficiency and ease of use, Recover Everything Photo is perfect for users looking to retrieve their precious memories effortlessly. Dumpster Photo Recovery. Dumpster Photo Recovery is a versatile app that functions as a recycle bin for your Android device. Unlike traditional recovery apps, Dumpster allows you to restore deleted photos and videos directly from its interface, preventing the need for complicated recovery processes. When you delete a file, it goes into the dumpster, where it can be easily restored. The app also supports restoring various file types, including documents and audio files. With its intuitive design and real-time recovery features, Dumpster is ideal for users who want a reliable way to manage their deleted files without the stress of permanent loss. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best photo recovery apps helps you reclaim your lost images with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and app recommendations. Have you tried any of these apps? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time.